Welcome everyone. I hope you all are doing great. So today, let's start with our new topic, AutoML. Please have a look on your screen to see how AutoML works. AutoSKLearn is an automated machine learning toolkit based on Bayesian optimization, meta-learning, ensemble construction. It frees the machine learning users from algorithm selection and hyperparameter tuning. During training, machine learning creates a number of pipelines in parallel that try different algorithms and parameters for you. The service iterates through ML algorithm paired with feature selection where each iteration produces a model with a training score. The higher the score, the better the model is considered to fit your data. It will stop once it hits the exit criteria defined in the experiment. You can design and run your automated ML training experiments with these steps. Identify the ML problems to be solved, classification, forecasting, or regression. Choose whether you want to use the Python SDK or the Studio Web experience. Specify the source and format of the labeled training data, NumPy arrays or pandas data frame. Configure the compute target for model training. Configure the automated machine learning parameters that determine how many iterations over different models, hyperparameter. Automated machine learning supports ensemble models, which are enabled by default. Ensemble learning improves machine learning results and predictive performance by combining multiple models as opposed to using single models. The ensemble iterations appear as the final iterations of your run. Automated machine learning uses both voting and stacking ensemble methods for combining models. Now let's see pros and cons of AutoML. First, we'll see the pros. AutoML save or reduce data feature engineering and modeling time. During feature engineering, AutoML helps avoid bias and preconception of human minds. Auto hyperparameter optimization is there. AutoML doesn't need expert knowledge of data science and machine learning, allowing for greater integration of machine learning into the general infrastructure of the world. It also generates great results in a relatively short time. It brings easy visualization, and also it quickly tests hypotheses around predictive values of certain data sets. Now let's see the cons. The feature and model interpretability might be sacrificed to some level. Workflow is different. Human understands the dataset, then builds feature, while machine builds feature first and human tries to understand them afterwards. AutoML sometimes is compute intensive, leading to relatively long execution time. Besides license cost, might also need infrastructure cost. Also, model selection is limited. Now you can see types of AutoML on your screens. AutoSKLearn, Google's AutoML, H2O AutoML, and many more. I hope you guys are enjoying the lectures. Please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.